Hello, this is Roller with the Globe Community Support Team, and today I'd like to show you how you can add and delete sites from your data entry tool. So log in and come down here to enter data. And then next to your school name, click on this Add Site. I'll go ahead and call this Sites Tutorial. And fill out the lat, long, and elevation. As well as the source of coordinates data, which I'm going to say is other. And since I don't know the lat and longitude of my pretend site that I'm creating here, I'm just going to drag this around. You can also do this, and if you want to get real precise, you can, zoom in and find right where you want to put your site, right? So I'll just put mine right here in Boulder. The elevation, once you have the lat and long set, you can just click this button and it'll give you the elevation for that specific point. Now you need to come over here and select a site type. So the type of data you're going to be doing at the site. I'm just going to do site atmosphere for this one. Fill out this information if you have it, but the only one you are required to fill out is the ones with the little red. So let's go ahead and do the thermometer type. If you're not sure which thermometer type, just choose this top one. And you can create the site. So to see the site, click on the Globe program logo, click on this little plus, and here's the new site. If you click the plus next to the site, you can see the different protocols that you can enter just by clicking on the button. If you'd like to delete a site that has no data entry, like this one obviously has no data entry because I just created it, then you can come here and click this delete site, and yes. If a site already does have data entered into it, you're not going to be able to delete it, so just contact help@globe.gov and we can help you with that. Thank you for watching and have a great day.